Hi guys, this is Craig, sales manager from Honors company, and we are the manufacturer of EV charger. In Honors, we will strictly do the assembly line according to the standard of procedure of the instruction here. The second one, we provide a high customization about our client's logo and do the branding, also the color customization. This is our EV charger body part, and this is our second part of our panel. We also provide different color customization for different panels. You can print, our clients can print the logo here. So basically, you can understand that this is the body part, and we use this wire to get it connected with the body part. And the last step, we will add the colorful panel, client's brand logo here. Then we will do the assembling about the input cable and output cable. So that's how we do our customization for different requests. The last but not least, we use the highest quality assured components. All the electronic components inside was highly assured. We use the same components like Schneider, ABB, or Phoenix Contact. For example, the relay, we use the Germany imported relay, and we also added the RCMU here, which is a temp sensor. In Honors, every charger we manufacturers, we will keep our words to get a high quality product.
Hello, Joyce here. At Honors, our product quality is defined by what we taste, not just what we promise to our clients. And come with me, you can see that we have a high precision simulator. Before all of our chargers shipped, we will connect each unit to taste. Here you can see that if the testing is passed, there will be reports will be showed in the computer, and every charger will be tested at least in 1 minute. And here you can see that after the testing, if it's passed, it will be well packaged and delivered. The zero tolerance ensures that our chargers will meet the standards that our markets asked.
Hi guys, this is Ray. So today I'm gonna show you our warehouse, so come take a look. We stock plenty, so from raw components like the cables and to the finished units, as you can see here. We keep plenty stock so you don't wait too much. No back orders and no delays, just the chargers on their way from our warehouse straight to your site. Whether by sea, air or rail, our logistic networks reaches more than 40 countries. We understand international standards and the local requirements inside out. We watch the quality and we own the process, which means we offer stable supply and reliable charges. And one last thing for you to worry about.
Entering a new market requires more than just a product. It requires compliance. Our products are designed to meet international standards, including CE, REACH, ROHS. And what happens next after the sales? At Honors, we provide a comprehensive warranty. Our team is ready to support you with the installation guides, troubleshooting, and the marketing materials to help you sell faster. With over 8 years of expertise, we understand what your market needs: safety, stability, scalability. Visit our website or contact us for a sample today. Let's power the future together.